BMW unwrapped the updated 2023 8 Series Coupe, convertible, and Gran Coupe fastback sedan, and despite some minor cosmetic changes in and out, the handsome-looking flagship GT remains free of flared nostrils. The updates, be it exterior or interior, are subtle but impactful. BMW has added in a slew of new colors across the 8 Series. Various M Sport badging, celebrating the 50th years of the M division's existence, are also offered as optional features. The interior gets subtle updates in the form of a bigger infotainment display. As for the mechanical front, everything remains unchanged. Inside, all 2023 8 Series models get a new central infotainment display, which grows from 10.25 to 12.3 inches. The 2023 BMW Alpina B8 gets the same changes as the rest of the lineup. Powertrains remain unchanged on the 2023 8 Series. The base 840iX drive is powered by a turbocharged 3.0-litre i6 good for 335 horsepower and 368 pounds-to-foot of torque. The M850iX drive a twin-turbo, 4.4-litre V8, making 523 horsepower and 553 pounds-to-foot of torque, and the Alpina B8 gets the wick turned up on the M850i's V8, giving it 612 horsepower and 590 pounds-to-foot of torque. Thanks for watching, and give your comments below.